If you're looking for a fast and effective way to grow lush green grass, Scott's Turf Builder Rapid Grass Sun and Shade Mix is a game changer. This combination of seed and fertilizer is designed to speed up growth, delivering a thick, green lawn in just weeks. One of the standout features of this product is its ability to grow in both sunny and shady areas, making it perfect for almost any lawn. Whether you have bare patches or want to improve your existing grass, this mix provides quick and noticeable results. Many users report seeing grass sprout within days, thanks to Scott's unique seed and fertilizer blend. The 5.6 pounds bag covers up to 2,800 square feet, while the larger 16 pounds bag covers up to 8,000 square feet, making it ideal for small and large yards alike. Application is simple: just rake the area, spread the mix evenly, and keep the soil moist. With consistent watering, you'll see new growth in as little as 11 days. The built-in fertilizer ensures your grass gets the nutrients it needs to establish strong roots and long-lasting greenery. Compared to traditional grass seed, this mix delivers faster and fuller results, making it a top choice for homeowners who want a beautiful lawn without the wait. Right now, there's a limited time discount, so don't miss your chance to get a great deal on this lawn essential. If you're ready to transform your yard, check out the link in the description below and get yours today.